Let's paint pastel sunset first. Start by taping all the sides of the paper. If you are using watercolors from the pan like me, then add water to the colors that you will use to reactivate them. Apply a nice layer of water all over the paper. Take pastel pink and paint bottom half of the paper. Now take pastel blue and paint remaining half of the paper. Blend this just a little bit into the pink color. Now increase the intensity of the colors by repeating the same process with less diluted colors. Also try to leave some spaces as it is to add some depth to the sky. Before this layer dries, using the same brush take pastel purple and add clouds to the sky by making varying curved lines all over the paper. Then using a clean damp brush, blend any harsh edges in the clouds. I am adding blue to the areas where I feel I lifted a lot of color. Now take small round brush and add more purple clouds. We will basically repeat the last step with a smaller brush to give an impression of smaller clouds. Again, take a clean damp brush to blend any harsh edges. Once you are happy with the sky, let it dry completely. Now let's add the foreground. Mix raw umber and Prussian blue to make a dark color. Using the small brush, paint a small piece of land on the bottom of the paper. Here I am using the belly of the brush to add some texture to the land. Using the same color, make grass by painting lines coming out of the land. These lines should be slightly curved in different directions. They should be random and of varied length and thickness. Add more Persian blue to this color and add shadows to the land. Let this dry and remove the tape. And our first painting is complete. Let's move on to the next painting.